Good morning, children. Today is Monday, 13th July 2020, and I welcome you to the English lesson. So, before starting today's lesson, let's review the diary of Friday. On Friday, I gave you as homework to make some compound words in the workbook, and it was on page number 18. And on Friday we discussed compound words that when we join two different words, the new word that is formed, it is called compound word. हमने यहाँ पे एक पोस्टेड नोट भी यूज़ किया था और हमने इस पोस्टेड नोट पे डिफरेंट एग्जांपल्स राइट की थी अलॉन्ग विद द डेफिनेशन ऑफ कंपाउंड वर्ड, और यहाँ पे हमने उनको राइट किया था, राइट. सो डिफरेंट एग्जांपल्स थी: सी साइड, सैंड castle, paint brush, footpath, cupcake, butterfly. So these are the different words. For example, butter and fly. Butter, हम यूज़ करते हैं, it's something edible, and flies and flying insect. जब इन टू को join करते हैं, butter and fly, the new word which is formed, that is called compound word. And what is it? Butterfly. And you know that butterfly is a flying insect and it has beautiful colorful wings. So this is all about compound words. अब ये इसका homework था. यहाँ पे आपने मैच करना था इन कॉलम्स को एंड इसको कंप्लीट करना था. skyscraper, toothbrush, I'm recalling all of the words: headmaster, flagpole, sunlight, classroom, threadbare, woodpecker, mudguard. Alright, so and I told you to add 3 more examples to each of this column. So I'm sure आपने वो भी add की होंगी. So यहाँ पे हम write भी कर लेते हैं उनको. For example, as I told you, butterfly, right? Butterfly, then cupcake, right? And paint brush. Alright, and on Friday we also discussed proverbs. हमने proverbs discuss किए थे. That proverbs are the old wise saying, और ये traditional होती हैं और ये कुछ ऐसी बात होती है जिसमें some intelligence होती है इन बातों में. For example, we have completed all's well, that ends well, so it means that as long as outcome is good, so problem on the way, whatever the problems come on the way, it really does not matter. कि अगर आपका काम जो है, हमने मीनिंग्स भी डिस्कस किए थे कि आपका काम चाहे जितना भी उसमें प्रॉब्लम्स आएँ, कुछ भी आए, लेकिन जब उसका रिज़ल्ट अच्छा आता है तो आप सब प्रॉब्लम्स को भूल जाते हैं. कट योर कोट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर क्लॉथ, डोंट काउंट योर चिकन्स बिफोर दे हैच, बिकॉज आप अपने जो प्लान्स हैं उनको इतना डिपेंड मत करें उन पे कि आप को इस चीज़ का बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं होता कि जो इवेंट्स हैं वो अकॉर्डिंगली होते हैं या नहीं होते. सो दीज आर द प्रोवर्ब्स जिनको हमने डिस्कस किया था, कंप्लीट किया था, एंड कंपाउंड वर्ड डिस्कस किया था. ऑलराइट, सो राइट नाउ लेट्स बिगिन टुडेज लेसन. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस parts of speech. We will practice conjunctions and articles. That what is an article and what are conjunctions. Conjunctions हमने इससे पहले भी practice किए थे. Today we are going to revise that. First of all, let's recall articles. Articles भी हमने earlier lesson में discuss किए थे, but today we are going to practice more related to articles. Articles A and D are called articles in English language, and A and these are the articles which are called indefinite articles, and D is a definite article. And is used with all of the words which are beginning with vowel. For example, A, E, I, O, U. All the words which are beginning with a vowel, we use and before them. So articles actually are used before nouns or adjectives, and A is used before the word which is beginning with any of the consonant. And D is the article which refers to something specific, and you can say the definite. And हम ये कह सकते हैं that D is the article which is used before those nouns which you can say that are known by almost everyone, and they are specific. So ये articles हैं, and for this one, let me show you this one chart. I hope that it will help you to understand articles efficiently. So A and these are the articles which are called indefinite article. You can see that a dog, a boy, a book. Why? Because all of these words like dog, boy and book are beginning with a consonant word B, B and D. Let me use some of the highlighters so it will help you to look prominent. B, B, D. D, B, B. These are the consonants. So that's why we never use an before the word which is beginning with a consonant. And for example, more examples, a baby, a cat, right? And it is also used for a singular noun as well. And an is used before the word which is beginning with a vowel. For example, an egg, right? An egg, an umbrella. Let me show you some more examples to related to articles. You see, an apple, a is a vowel, an orange, an umpire, an ice cream, a bug, a box, a letter, a glass, right? And the girl, the country. So these are the words. These are, these are the list. This is the list of the word where we use the. The is the definite article, and it refers to something which is known by everyone or something specific. Country, world, earth. There is the world. There is one planet, Earth, and sun, the sun. This is specific. So हम be use करते हैं with something specific and with definite. So this is the article, and that's how you use the articles before noun and adjectives. And after this we will discuss conjunctions. Conjunctions are also called joining words. We made this chart earlier. हमने ये पहले lessons में ये chart बनाया था. Let me show you conjunctions. Yes, this is the conjunction, and here we can see some examples of conjunctions. Conjunctions are the joining words, and these are used to join different words. You see, and, but, because, which. These are the examples of conjunctions. So let's practice these in our textbook and workbook. So for this one, I would like you to take out your textbooks. We are going to work on textbook page number 26. All right, textbook page number 26, articles. First of all, please write down the day, Monday, 13th July 2020, and let's read the statement. Copy the following passage into your notebook, adding articles where necessary. This is going to be your today's homework as well, because after completing this, you have to practice articles in your notebook. You will copy this passage and you will do it as homework in your notebooks. So let me read. This is the continuation of this one passage, जिसके हमने यहाँ पे इसका ये third continuation है. All right. Sir Ector, the father of Kay and Arthur. हमने यहाँ पे जहाँ पे हमें लगेगा कि suitable वहाँ पे कोई article नहीं है, वहाँ पे we will put cross. You see, हम वहाँ पे cross कर देंगे because it's not necessary to put articles before each noun, right? So, asked Kay where he got the sword, and Kay told him. Where did you get the sword? Sir Ector asked. You see, again cross, because we will not use any article here. Arthur said, I got it from the stone. Then put it back into the anvil. The anvil. What is anvil? Alright, what is an anvil? Anvil is basically, you can say, it is some iron. It is an iron block on which metal is hammered and shaped. So what is anvil? You can search this word in dictionary as well. You have to practice your dictionary skill. Take out the dictionaries, whatever the dictionary you're having at home, and search the word anvil. Anvil is an iron block. Anvil is an iron block, right? And it is used it is used to hammer metals, and it is used to shape them, right? Said Sir Ector, and take it out again. Again cross, because no article is needed here. When Arthur put the sword back into the anvil, no one could take it out again. Arthur drew the sword out easily. Alright, so that's how we will put articles here, and you see that यहाँ पे जहाँ पे आर्टिकल्स नहीं आएंगे वहाँ पे हमने इनको क्रॉस कर दिया। ऑलराइट, सो आर्टिकल्स आएंगे वहाँ पे जहाँ पे हमारे पास डेफिनेट, यहाँ पे मोस्टली हमारे पास जो हैं दी यूज़ हुआ है, ए और एन यूज़ नहीं हुआ, बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ द वर्ड्स जो वर्ड्स थे जिसके साथ हमने आर्टिकल यूज़ किया है, these are specific, these are definite, so that's why we have used definite article the, right? यहाँ पे आप articles के opposite write करेंगे a and the. Alright, so that's how you will practice this passage in your notebook. Alright children, let me read the diary to you. Complete C2 textbook पेज नंबर 26 एज होमवर्क इन नोटबुक। आपने अपनी होमवर्क नोटबुक्स में एज होमवर्क यही पैसेज राइट करना है, और जहाँ पे आर्टिकल्स राइट किए हैं हमने वहाँ पे आपने सिमिलरली इसको फिल करके ये पैसेज कॉपी कर लेना है अपनी नोटबुक पे। ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट्स get started with our conjunctions. We have to practice conjunctions. For this one, I would like you to open up your workbook. Alright, workbook page number 15. Write down the day, Monday, 13th July 2020. Highlight the word conjunction and write down joining words, right? Conjunctions mean joining words because conjunctions are the words which are used to join different parts of sentences and different sentences, right? For example, until, because, but, as, so, while, which. These are the examples of conjunctions. So let's read this. Use conjunctions to complete the following sentences. Maha and Hassan live in Karachi, but they have not lived there long. Maha and Hassan, right? और यहाँ पे two parts हैं. This is the first part of the sentence and this is the second part of the sentence. So we can say that but जो है यहाँ पे use हुआ है to join two sentences. Alright. B, they like the house but not the area in which they live. They do not like it because there is a bus station right next door. D, it is noisy and dirty, but at least they can catch a bus easily. Right? Now let's turn the page. E, they cannot hear the noise when they shut the doors and windows. They cannot hear the noise when they shut the doors and windows. They will move if the noise gets worse. They will move if the noise gets worse. So that's how you will put conjunctions to fill up the blanks. यहाँ पे आप suitable conjunctions write करेंगे यहाँ पे इन sentences को complete करने के लिए, right? So that's how you will complete your classwork, alright? And similarly you will complete your homework in your notebook. Alright, so thank you very much. Look after yourself, stay home, stay safe.